So again, today I am doing a brand new food review and snack review and drink review. This is all let's say a meal review. But before I am starting this, I want to say, if you do like the stuff I do on my channel, make sure you give it a like, subscribe, and turn those bells on right on my vlog. So yeah, and also make sure you get all my videos a like if you haven't yet. So yeah, if you haven't yet, give it a like if you haven't yet. So yeah, it's not what I do. Let's get to this meal review. This is the first meal review because I got 3 items, which is a food. We have a food review, a snack review, and a drink review. Only in one video for that, because it's a they got a combo thing from KFC. So yeah, so now what we're do? Let's get to it right now. So for right now, I'm doing the drink part. The drink review part is I got Mountain Dew, and it's the Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning. So now what we're do? I'm getting to trying this for the first time. It's not bad. It's really good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah. It's really good. It tastes really good. Really good. It really does taste like some sweet. It tastes really sweet, and well, you know the rest. And but some of you guys know the Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning is only available at KFC. Go ahead if you haven't yet. Go and get this if you haven't for your KFC. But it's really good stuff. Oh yeah. So next I'm doing the food review part, and that is I got the pork and that my pork, and then I got the smashed potato ball, the nuggets one. So yeah, so yeah. Originally I was gonna be doing a review on the Chisa item that they have, but they didn't. But it was not available yet until Monday. But still, without further ado, I'm gonna be trying the sweet potato ball nuggets. So now, without further ado. We're gonna fry him. Oh, wow. Oh yeah. Tastes really good. Really good. Oh yeah. Tastes really good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So it's really good. It's really good. If you guys haven't picked the review of this, go ahead and pick it up if you haven't yet. If you also haven't yet, like it's really good. If you wanted to get it, really good. Oh yeah. So now, for this next review part is the chocolate Bundt cake from KFC. So now, without further ado, getting this open. It's gonna take some time for me to get this open. These plastic parts on the Bundt cake again. Really pain in the butt. Here we go. And here we go. There is the Bundt cake. Oh yeah. So now what we do? Oh, that way another spark. Another spark for the Bundt cake. Yeah, these west, playing these in, play these sports, paint the butt, paint the butt. So yeah. So now what I do? You're trying the chocolate Bundt cake. Here we go. Oh wow. It's really, really good. With the sweetness in it, oh boy. Oh yeah. Tastes really good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Tastes really good there. Okay. Yeah, it's really, really good. Oh yeah. Now for my ratings for these 3 items of green food, here's a combo review. Food combo review. For the Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning, I give it 10 out of 10. It's really good. It's really, really good. Like, so we hope you guys end up getting this if you're in ever at KFC. So yeah. And for my rating on the sweet potato bowl with nuggets, I give it 10 out of 10. Really, really. So hope some of you guys will get this also. It's really, really good. If you're ever at KFC. And for the chocolate Bundt cake, I give it also a 10 out of 10. It's really good. It's really good also. So yeah. Wherever you're at KFC, go pick up these 3 if you haven't yet. Possibly for a review if you wanted to. In case you wanted to, like I said, because I am making it. So yeah, that's this food combo review, and I hope you guys like this food combo review, and I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys do like. If you don't, then I don't care. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn those notification bells on every time I upload, and share my videos, and react videos. Reviews and other videos that you my channel to your friends from videos. If you want, your choice, because I ain't making you. So yeah. And on the main channel here, we're on the road to 3K subscribers. And on the backup channel, Tippy Jordan 2.0, we're on the road to 100 subscribers. And so yeah. And that's the end of this video. And I'll see you all. And that's the end of this food combo review. And I'll see you all for more banger reviews, and more banger reviews, and more banger content. So I'll see you next time. Tippy Jordan signing out, and peace to legends, and peace out, everyone. And I do apologize. People are it's loud out there. I do apologize for that. But they don't want to keep it down. I do apologize for that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you next time. Tippy Jordan signing out, and peace to legends, and peace out, everyone. Bye.